How to create amazing AI lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Wallpaper and Style. After click on Wallpaper and Style, click on Lock Screen and click on Wallpaper. You will see Create with AI is here. Click on Photo Ambient and click on Try Now, and for example select picture. After select picture, you will see click on Done. You will see amazing create AI look wallpaper is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can create amazing AI lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.